Well, here we go. 2015 Chevy Silverado 5.3. Got a little ticky. Sound like on the passenger side. So we pulled the coil packs and rocker arm cover off and come back here to one of our cutting out cylinders for this good DOD, and get one right there that moves pretty easily. This the 4 and 6 cylinders, the one that has the cutoffs, and there is the mover. So we're going to fire this thing up and just verify that that is where the noise is coming from. All right, folks, hold your ears. Get your safety squints on. Fire up. Y'all can feel what I'm feeling there. It's definitely that one. Those things ain't oil in the string mount. Yep, we're gonna cut this thing off and pull that rock arm off. Make sure we ain't got any bad needle bearings in that roller rocker arm. And we'll let y'all know our results.